Hey, hello. If you are just starting to explore the concept of SaaS, this is the place to find out what SaaS can do for you, how SaaS is different, identify questions about SaaS, and learn more about developing SaaS applications. Starting your own business is not as easy as you might think, especially when it comes to the SaaS sphere. Building a startup from the ground is quite challenging, but if you are an ambitious entrepreneur, these obstacles won't discourage you. Before diving into this video, this is Kamal from NIT Roorkela. Let's go into the topic. You might have noticed that SaaS has been topping the list of the best business models for several years now. That's why SaaS startups are at the pinnacle of success. This model has been adopted by big companies like Google, Apple, IBM, Adobe, and small businesses alike. In this post, we will share our experiences of creating SaaS. What is SaaS? Software as a service. Business hosts a platform online and provides users with access to its functionality, technical support, and additional services on a subscription basis. Users typically access the software remotely. Is it just a software? No, not at all. The software is not just a product in this case. The company takes long-term responsibility for maintaining database servers and additional software that enable the functionality to run smoothly over time, providing continuous services to subscribed members. We have to know a concept here. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a set of forms that contains certain elements that allows for on-demand network access, scalability, and shared resources. It's a platform for managing, storing, and processing data online through the internet. So there are three main types of cloud computing services. One is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. So our topic today for discussion is software as a service. Let's go deep into it. Let's understand how SaaS works. SaaS works through the cloud delivery model. A software provider will either host the application and related data using its own servers, database, networking, and computing resources. SaaS, as a business model, hosts a platform online and provides users with access to its functionality and technical support and additional services on a subscription basis. Users typically access the software remotely. And the best part is, you don't need to install the software on the computer, unlike a license paid program. We just need a cloud computing model, and all the computing resources that are responsible for delivering SaaS are totally managed by the vendor. We can see the benefits of the SaaS. SaaS is bigger, better, and faster. No hardware installation is needed, quicker updates we will get, and it is scalable, and it has high adoption within the organization. No operational hassles are there, and the best part is it is a cost saving model. The benefits of the SaaS. Increased efficiency and cost effectiveness are the reasons many businesses give for turning to cloud based SaaS solutions. The main advantages include low setup infrastructure, and the best part is the time management. SaaS eliminates the work hours for downloading and upgrading additional software, and maintenance is the work of the vendor. That's not our work. And the scalability and accessibility. The user can upgrade the SaaS models as per their needs, and its solutions are accessible from anywhere. Compatibility issues. SaaS vendors ensure that the user has access to the most upgraded software versions, thus, no compatibility issues will occur in the future. The guaranteed service. Data backups are often labor intensive, right? Yes. SaaS solutions enable automated backups without user intervention. So the user will not have any other headache. Security issues. Multiple data centers contact the IT infrastructure to deliver SaaS applications. In case one center falters, the others will continue to extend the services. So there is no breakup in the security issues. And it is highly adaptable as SaaS solutions are delivered through the web that require the minimum learning for employees, making them the most preferred services. Free trial. Yes, SaaS vendors enable free trials for the full software solution for enterprises to gauge the usability quotient of the solution. And we have a lot of competitive advantage using SaaS because it is simple to use and it is mobile, and we will have a continuous tech support, and the moreover is it is cost efficient. If you have a SaaS in your business model, and it ensures the growth, versatility, and flexibility. But there are few risks and concerns associated with SaaS. They are like pricing. Yes, customers rig their money by adopting for a subscription that might take a while to get cancelled. So business owners, on the other hand, need to invest in persuading the users to keep using the tools. Even a small technical issue can compel users to cancel their plans. Increased risk. So yes, with the technical issues or a security attack, it will compromise all active users of the platform. The cost of an error is incredibly high. Safety. Yes, SaaS providers need to find an efficient way of securing their clients' data while allowing flexible remote access to their service from any device. That's why the companies need to provide the trust to the customers. Trust building plays a vital role. SaaS risk management should include confidentiality, integrity, use control, availability, and accountability. Actually, there is no standard for acceptable risk. Each department will have a different requirements and different tolerances for failing to meet a requirement. There are different types of SaaS companies. Startups are there, like they're offering platform as a service. Example: Amazon Web Service, Google Cloud, and Apache Stratos. They are offering platform as a service. We can see many startups which are offer B2B platforms that handle a particular aspect of a business owner's activities. Example: Salesforce, Customer Lab, and Financial Services Cloud. Artificial intelligence based services are also rising these days. Example: Microsoft Azure, IBM Watson, and Google Cloud. The 10 best SaaS companies include Zoom, Grammarly.com, Mailchimp.com, Shopify.com, Hootsuite.com, and HubSpot.com and Slack.com are many other best SaaS companies which are praised all over the world. Thank you. Hope you like this presentation. Signing off, this is Calvin Kamal from School of Management, NIT Rourkela.